Today, we take a full aerial and ground overview of the Dormaa East 24-hour economy project, one of the developments being rolled out to accelerate economic activity and create new opportunities for communities across Ghana. From above, you can clearly see the scale of the project and how the different sections of the development are beginning to take shape. Construction has already moved into the foundation stage, with excavation and foundation works underway for several structures within the market complex. What makes this project particularly interesting is that this is not simply a collection of market stalls. The development has been planned with different facilities serving different purposes. There are provisions for general market stalls, dedicated butcher stalls, and other commercial spaces designed to support traders and businesses operating within the 24-hour economy. But the project goes beyond trading. The development also includes facilities such as fire station and a police station, together with other supporting infrastructure that will be necessary for properly functioning commercial center. This is important because a successful 24-hour economy requires more than just shops and market stalls. People need security. They need fire protection and emergency response. They need an organized trading environment. They need infrastructure that allows businesses to operate during the day and continue into the night. For the people of Dormaa East, this development could therefore become an important economic center for the district. It has the potential to provide more space for traders, create employment opportunities, support small businesses, improve access to goods and services, and increase economic activity within the district. It can also reduce the need for people to travel long distances to access certain goods, services, and commercial opportunities. And when business operates for longer hours, more people can participate in the local economy according to their own schedules. This is the broader idea behind the 24-hour economy, creating an environment where the economic activity is not restricted to traditional working hours, but is supported by infrastructure, security, and services required for businesses to operate safely and efficiently. What we are seeing here is still an active construction site. The foundations are being established, the different sections are being laid out, and the project will go through several more stages before the facilities are completed and become operational. But even at this stage, the layout already gives us an idea about what the finished development is intended to provide. And there is another important part of this documentary. As we come towards the end of this overview, we are going to hear directly from the site engineers working on the project. They will explain the development in greater detail, including what is being constructed, how the different facilities are designed, and what we should expect as construction progresses. So this is our first broad look at the Dormaa East 24-hour economy project. From the foundation works currently underway to the plant market, butcher facilities, fire stations, police stations, and other supporting infrastructure, we will continue following this project as it develops.
So we Dormaa East, Wamfie, 24-hour economy market, and your model near Model 3, and contractor near Silver Line Resource Company Limited. Yes, and the market has a gym facility, it has a police post, has a fire service post, it has a clinic, it has sheds and stores, it has a butcher house. I mean, it has all the basic amenities that every market would have. So that's what we are constructing, and if you can see what we have here is the commercial building. That's the very first building, and then over there we have the storage lockable, and then behind the storage lockable is where the sheds stores are. So basically this is what we are doing. At the moment we are still at the groundwork. Very soon we will start hauling fill material to do the hardcore filling. The commercial building is at ground beam stage. We started with the woodwork, yet to place in the reinforcement for concreting to start. For the lockable stores, we've been able to complete the ground beams and waiting for hardcore filling to start. And we just commenced works with the OP sheds and stores. So currently, that's the level with which we are with progress. Thank you very much.
Thank you. When are stores? Okay. Stores never anymore. We're next. Oh, okay. No, can be said butcher.
Butcher, yeah, and also.
Oh, okay. Stores name. Oh, okay. That is a good kind of wait now, sir. Thank you. Oh, okay. When you're more bit me out too. Oh, okay. When a bear?
Bueno. I think it's 6 in numbers.
Okay.
So, it's 2 new.
Okay.
It was 28. Achim on Finfin.
Okay.
It's 2 new. And 2 senior.
Okay.
And 2 I say. And a butcher house.
Oh, okay. A nice design. Now, completion date now. Didn't normal one and I said, we'll be in them.
It's a never go yet.